Alright guys, I'm going to do a teardown on this clip 5 Tomorrowland edition. So let's get started. So you're going to grab a buster knife, make sure it's not sharp, and you don't want to start from the center, you want to actually start from this side here. So I'm starting from the place where the buttons is. So I've actually opened it one time before, so easy, but for y'all it will be like extremely hard. So now you can, so most people have problem, you can just take your fingers, bend this out and take your thumb and push this. So it actually comes very easy off. Here's your coffee. So now I'm actually going to take the driver out. So I'm going to use this extra long screwdriver. You know what, I actually don't really trust myself. Just going to use it like this. I actually wanted to use it because of the magnet, so. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out. So watch out for the gasket, and there is the camera doesn't focus. Why don't you want to focus? Okay, but anyway, I'm sure you guys are not blind, so you just pull that out. This comes out, so there's your driver. It's nice. Nice coil inside there. Very short wire. This is your gasket. So I'm actually gonna have it like this because charge rock can tell when it's right or wrong. So this is the inside. That's the radiator. This is another one. You can see you got that cage like thing in the back. What is this? Oh, that's actually there. Okay. Getting annoyed at the fact that it's not focusing. Okay, so now you're gonna take this spine out. First one, take the string out. And after that, now there are 4 screws, 2 here and 2 here. So I'm gonna take them. So now let me check if I can actually take it out with the screwdriver. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. So I'm just gonna use this other smaller one. So, oh, that's hard.
Perfect.
So I just took the pliers and kind of helped me to unscrew, because if you turn the top part, that just turns. So unscrew that. Now this one. I'm not very sure about tearing down a TR motor, but CS, yeah, I had that, so this one is hard. I'm sure I can make it. So guys, don't round your head of the screwdriver. It's gonna be a pain to re-put it back on or take it out again. If you can see that you're not getting anywhere, just leave it. Yeah, I learned that the hard way with my Pulse 3. So I think that's out. I'm not really sure. Oh yeah, that's out. So you can just pull this out. Okay, maybe it's not supposed to come out so easily. Okay, the bottom one came out, so you can just leave that on the woofer. Same with this. So this doesn't want to come out. Can I turn it out or something? Yeah, it's coming out now. So you want to pull your spine from like this side and oh wait, there's actually clips here. So let's start from this side. Pop that out. Now there's actually 6. There's 3 on this side, 3 on this side. So you want to like pop the 2 outer ones and leave the center one. You can't really do much with the center one, so pop it out like that. Go and try, get in there to take it out. Then you can just, but now when you're taking it out, don't bend it because it can get cracked or break in center, and then you're gonna have like an air bubble thing in the center. You don't want that. So I'm gonna leave this here. That's how it looks so far. Now I don't really want to use a knife because I don't want to damage the speaker. So you can, as you can see, this clip is 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think the same on the other side. Yeah. So I'm gonna get here and try and pry that out. Same thing with here. Oh, so you don't have to take it out. So you can just take that out. So now this is your radiator, JB outside. As you can see. Now I did do a few bases, so I'm just checking if okay, no, it's still good. So there is a gasket there. Don't take that out, or if it comes out, try to put it back because I'm not very familiar with this. So there's your JB outside. And the exclamation mark side. Oh no, sorry, the butterfly side. So that also just popped up. So this is this side. This side seems good to me. Wait, this is. Oh yeah, this is different. So yeah, no, it's all good. So there is your JBL. Yeah, this is your battery connectors. No, wait. There is a space for the microphone, but there's no hole. So normally the microphone is here. I know the function doesn't work, but you can see this thin wire. It's going, and it's going inside here, and right here is where this is. And no, why? Maybe they just didn't cut it out. So I'm just going to show you how to put everything back now. I don't really want to take the motherboard out now because, I just got it today. So if I'm posting this, the day after, it's actually when I bought it. So So yeah, I'm gonna put this back. Some exclamation side here. Tables inside here. This side. Nice clicky buttons. So I think this goes. Yeah. So exclamation side, GBL side, and you can just press this down. This you can put back, so I'm not gonna really screw it in right down because of how tight it is. You know how tight the screw is to take out, or how hard it is. So I'm doing this side. Yeah, so this is loose. Yeah, it is loose, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. Don't really tighten it down that far. So I'm gonna put the gasket on. So you wanna just make sure it's in right. So the part where the gasket has the outer linings must face outside towards the woofer. So I'm gonna plug this woofer back in. Yeah, so does it go this way? No, it goes this way. Okay. So make sure the gasket is still in there. Make sure when you're putting it back in to move the wire to the side. Oh, flip, this gasket is annoying. Yeah, you know what? Wait. Let me put this back. Set it properly. And then we can put this back. Make sure the wire is on the side. Yeah, got it. No, we don't have it. The gasket have been back inside. Please tell me it's in. Yes. So it's right. So then, what you're gonna do now is take your screwdriver, screw all of this back on. So this is how I like to do it. You don't have to do the same thing. So I like to not really tighten it a lot, tighten it opposite each other. So if I'm doing this one, I'll do this one. Some people like to do it like this or like that or whatever. I like it like this, so I know all the screws are tightened evenly. So I'm not gonna really tighten it. Now the last one. Now for every TR model, including the Flip 4 and the Charge 4, you don't want to tighten this full, because if you tighten it full, then the gasket is actually going to move. So you want to tighten it, but you don't want to over tighten it, because the gasket starts to pop out. So not very tight. Now there should be an air leak here. It's actually very small, so yeah. Actually, now that I think of it, I'm actually going to tighten this. So I'll be back with you when I finish tightening this. So I've just tightened this. How is the camera turned there? Okay, so I've tightened it. So next step is get this, and it's kind of tricky but not that tricky. So you want to push this in and carry on pushing it, and then it should come on. You want to pull this back, you want to do this, and then you just want to pull on this. Yeah, so this is called some snake knot or something. So I'm gonna pop the cover back on. You can do the same thing what I told you. You can do this. Make sure the button's in the right place. You can just tuck it in on all sides. What is that? Oh shit, I dug into the thing. So yeah, it's right. So like and subscribe for more, guys. Thank you.